Girl, hey girl, I love your jean jacket. Where'd you get it at? Look, we famous. Paparazzi's taking pictures of us.
He's that tall.
I think they do use their roll high. Alright, who's going? Because I'm not. Matthew, go. Okay, Rosie, I scared along. Wait, something's gonna hit me? Well, the girl screams, so I don't know why. Can't spin it. So blurred. Come on, baby. And then we can see it's a capture. Told you. Away we go, honey bunny. Ooh, Uncle Sam. Heck yeah.
You think he was this tall?
I think they get their height because people look short. No offense. Hispanics be short. Look, Rosie.
I want to sign it. Can I do my actual signature? You can write your name on here? Ooh.
That's my signature.
I must sign.
Don't fuck with it.
Ooh, my turn.
Kitty, you gonna sign next to me? Let's see Rosie's signature.
Oh, dang it, I messed up.
Yeah. I'm scared.
I messed up so bad.
I mean, that's better than when I was your age, to be honest.
Okay, my turn.
I'm really scared. Can I live under here? Oh, you sweat right there. Don't touch that.
Really?
You're not gonna sign next to us, the sisters? That's really fucked up.
I wanted to. That's fine. Okay.
Data. Yeah, don't look at that. That's wow. I'm scared a lot. Baby, you're not gonna sign it? Rosie, do that face again. I'm scared. Uncle Sam, why do you take all my money? This is who I pay taxes to.
I'm too short.
He takes all your money. Oh. Can I touch this? Look, you can put that clothes on. Put it on.
Okay, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, you can. Okay. I'm putting the hat on.
Oh my gosh. Baby, put it on. Oh, you got your camera on like that. Don't hurt you. Oh, you look cute. All ready? Say cheese. Me and babe. That's my president. I'm not gonna put it
That's
here.
not our president.
Ready, mommy? Zane, girl.
New phone, who this? New phone, who this?
It picture. This is Walt Disney. Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. Pick up the phone because it was Edison's preferred way to answer. Before, people would answer with, ahoy hoy, baby. I'm gonna be like, ahoy hoy.
How is he doing it?
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Without touching it?
you can't touch the metal because if not it turns off.
I bet I could do it.
I couldn't. It's hard.
So what are you trying to say? Because you can't, she can? Touch it, touch it.
It's so close. Come on. Oh my god.
You get a prize.
That one was so
This is ending.
He did it.
Let me tell you. Dang, baby. You won. Wax hands. I'm scared of long. What the heck is this? Wax hands? This is a prototype.
She's not loud. Pretty splendid. French water of the grave. The next 27 years, she gave her uncle
Hi, girl. OMG, look at the size of this guy. What size is that? Comparison to my feet, even though they're crusty. Man of Steel. What? That's so funny. Look at his face. That is so crazy. Tiger Woods. Good damn bitch, we going shopping. Honey, we going shopping. I hear Selena music, so I hope Selena's here. Well, they were playing her song earlier. Go baby! I don't know what you did, but go baby. I'm fucking excited because Selena's wax figure's still here, and we didn't expect it to be here still because they had told us that it was the last day 2 weeks ago. So whoever told us that was wrong. I don't know. Matthew said it was here. So you hear the song? It does look like her, but kind of different in a way. That's crazy. Aww. That's so cute. Let me go read her poem. Always believe that the impossible is always possible. People showing love to Selena, including my little sister. Hey, Jimmy Fallon. Damn, this shit really looks like water. You're on one of the guests on the show?
Oh, Rosie, you finally made it on the show.
I just seen something that I love. Oh my god. Is this how they're supposed to be big in real life? Like in the movie, that's how big they are? Because they're big. I wonder if people are scared of them. Dude, but you're gonna take me a picture with them, man. With me and all my sisters in it. Come on, please.
You're ugly.
Ready?
Because we're older.
Would you like a croissant? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, let's take a picture here. Let's go inside. It says show cancer, not scared of them. Isn't this crazy how like in movies, you know, this is how they really do it. Like this is all fake, but it looks real on camera. Come on, baby, sit on the ground. We're scared. We're captured. Because we scared and we captured in here.
So we're gonna be smiling?
No, we gotta look scared because we're in capture. I ain't looking at the camera.
You told me to look scared, like I'm captured.
That looks like her more than like the Rihanna one. Looks like Rihanna. I don't care who this is, so bye. Don't like it. Ryan Reynolds, Tom Hanks, Samuel L. Jackson, Wilmo freaking Smith. Baby, you gotta take a picture with my idol. Kinda don't look like him, but oh well. Some of them look so like him that looks like him. The queen of the cheekbones and the jaw. Ay, me corté. She got that sharp jaw. I'll take that version of practice in a bit. That's a good question, right? One game. Oh, they're gonna take your picture. Select item. The first one. Or no? All right. Along. All right, Rosie, I'm voting for you. I vote for Rosie. Whoever wins, I pay their food. Whoever loses, pays their own food. That's the rules.
Card number 2, Yoshi, great start. Card number 2, Yoshi is closing in.
Come on, Rose. You trying to pay for your Taco Bell?
Yoshi is pulling away now. Card number 1, Tower is catching up.
Dang, you guys are back to back. Come on, Rosie.
Card number 2, Yoshi has astounding speed.
Come on, Rosie. Get on the rainbow. Let's get out of here.
And I got it.
Go juicy. Oh, they close at 12 this arcade?
He's a real MVP for letting us stay for free.
Yeah, he is. All I know is just paying for home food.
I don't know that one, so you're paying for my food, honey.
Losers have to play by the rules.
I did not agree to those rules.